In this video, we are going to see that if we want to style this person further, we have already added his hairs. He was a bald man. So we have already added hairs, but let's say that he is an actor or a model. And for the next upcoming shoot or a movie, we just want to try how the beard or even a long beard with mustache works. And we just want to see how his beard looks appear if we just draw a long beard. So we have just used the generative fill here, and let's just write light brown and dark brown, mix here long beard with mustache. Let's generate, and just remember, not every time it will draw perfect results. So you need a couple of tries in order to get what you want. And look at this, guys. He looks perfect. It doesn't look fake. This one is nice. This one is even better. And if you see any kind of problems here and there, you can just refine that. Just click on keep and remove this part. Let's say, let's try removing this. No, it doesn't work here. So let's click on cancel and let's click on reset. Let's click on reset and let's clean this part. Click on remove. Okay, this one is perfect. Now let's click on keep, and this is the final look. Let's click on download, and we are going to compare all of these photos. Let's say this one is bald man 1 original, bald man 2, and that's bald man 3. So these are 3 versions. Let's see and compare those. This one is the first original image. We have added here, and this is how it looks. And now we have added beard, and he looks like this. So this one looks perfect, much better than the earlier ones. So this is how you can try different things with generative fill. It's a great tool, and it really depends on your creativity. What do you want to change? You can change the complete clothes. You can add here. You can change the sunshades or even remove them. You can add beard or whatever you like, and you can see the results, how natural it looks. So just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.